I'm Surbhi and welcome to my channel This Panda Knows. Thank you so much for showing so much love to my previous videos, and if you're new to my channel, a very warm welcome and a fantastic hug from my end. In today's video, I'm going to review 3 amazing lip care products which I've been using for the past 3-4 months, and I'm just totally blown away by the results, and that is why I'm going to share my experience with all of you about these products. So I hope I can help you out. Talking about our first product, this is from a pretty viral brand in India currently. It's a Korean brand, so you know why viral is the word that I used. I know there are a lot of people who are going gaga about Korean skincare brands in India, and I am totally with them. I was blown away by the results that this has given me when I started using this. I was skeptical at first whether I should try any Korean brand or not and take any risk or not, but this product is totally amazing. So I'm talking about Laneige lip sleeping mask. This is the berry flavored one. You have other 2 flavors as well in the market to choose from, and I think this was the very first flavor that they came out with, and later the other flavors came out. This is amazing, guys. I paid 1150 rupees for 20 gram of this. You have a smaller version also, which you can try it out first. And as it says on the internet, it has berry extracts which is known to have vitamin C and antioxidants, which helps in curing any dry or really chapped lips or rough lips. So this is the right product for that. I'll show you how this looks like. So it's a pink colored, a lip balm kind of texture product, and smells really amazing like berry, as the flavor says. Now I have seen people using this during morning time. I mean, I've seen in the comment sections on Nykaa that they've used it as a lip balm during morning, but I would not suggest you to do that because it's pretty thick. It doesn't have consistency like a lip balm. Like, lip balm is pretty light on your lips. Like, I've applied a lip balm right now and I don't feel any heaviness on my lips, but this totally feels heavy, and suggested that you use a pretty good amount on your lips at night and then go to sleep. So I don't think you can apply this in the morning time. It's a lip sleeping mask. It has to be applied as part of your night skincare routine and not morning skincare routine. So do not do that. You will feel uncomfortable. Your lips will feel uncomfortable. So just apply this during night and just go to sleep. And I applied this like on my very first night. My lips did feel a lot uncomfortable because my lips is not used to having very thick or heavy product on itself. So it did feel uncomfortable, and you will feel uncomfortable as well. I'm pretty sure about that, but you will be amazed by the results that you will get the next morning when you wake up. And I was blown away. I was very impressed that how it healed the little cracks that I had on my lips in just one application itself. So guys, if you have problem with dry lips or chapped lips, please invest your money in this. Don't buy a bigger version, buy a smaller version and try it out. But I can guarantee you this will work definitely and help you heal your lips. So please go for this, and do not use this as a lip balm in the morning time. This is only for night time. It is supposed to work during night on your lips, and yes, so go for it. Don't have any other second thought about this. This is amazing. This will definitely work on your lips. For the usage, it's pretty simple. You just have to apply it as a lip balm on your lips, and apply generously is the word that they have used. So apply a lot of amount of this and layer it on your lips pretty well, and then next morning you just have to wipe off the excess product using a cotton pad or with your fingers. I usually use fingers and just kind of massage my lips for a few seconds and just wipe it off, or use a cloth, anything, whatever you're comfortable with, and that's all you have to do. Second product is from my favorite brand, that is Biotique. This is Biotique's Biofruit Whitening Lip Balm. Very cheap, 175 rupees for 12 gram of this, and this is the only flavor, or this is the only variant in size that they have. And as you know, lip balms usually take time to finish up, so this small tub would last you for 6-7 months is what I'm guessing. So I have again 80 or 70% of the products still in the box. So it's amazing, guys. I mean, if you are a lover of lip balms, I mean, if you really love applying lip balms rather than lipsticks, then please try this out. I was not a very big fan of lip balms. I have used, pretty amazing lip balms earlier, like Vaseline, Bioline and other brands, but I was not very dedicated to them, in applying every day or regularly. I ended up, wasting the product and throwing it in the dustbin. So, but when I bought this, I could see the result. You will not see the results instantly. So it says it will, brighten up your lips. If you have pigmentation on your lips, if you have very dark lips, then this will definitely make it a little lighter, not very pink or very red, but this will do its magic. So please don't lose hopes in the first 2 weeks or 3 weeks at least. This takes time to show results, but it will definitely show results. And this is a normal lip balm, and all of you know how to apply a lip balm. So I apply it every day in the morning. So after I've taken bath, I've applied all my cream and stuff on my face. I just finish my morning skincare routine by applying this in the end. That's it. And I think I'm going to continue doing this even after my office opens up. I usually used to apply lipstick and go, but then this is nice. This has a very nice red tint, as you can see. Nice. So you really don't have to apply lipstick. This gives a really nice red tint to your lips, and it also doesn't work with whitening it. I have seen results, and you will definitely see results with this. It's just $175, guys, so just give it a shot. The third product for the evening is Max Lip Scrub, which I got around 3 months back, and I've paid around 1,650 rupees for a 14 ml of this. You have other variants as well in the market, and all of them are fruit flavored. This is the passion fruit one which I've bought, and this is what it looks like. The packaging is very, very cute and very nice to hold. I don't know, like, what material is this? Like, on top it feels like rubber, so definitely it will not break. I think it has glass container inside this, but the outer layer is something like rubber. I mean, it totally feels so nice in your hand and very cute, guys. I mean, this is something very different that I've come across. So yeah, full marks on their packaging, and it smells very, very delicious and tastes also delicious. I mean, while scrubbing it on my lips, it has gone into my mouth a few times, and it tasted so sweet and so nice. I felt like eating it, but yeah, I did restrict myself from doing that. And this is a sugar based lip scrub, so don't worry, it will not melt immediately. It does melt since it is sugar, but it stays for around 15-20 seconds on your lips. So by that time you can actually exfoliate and rub it on your lips. I also rub it like here on my upper lip and my lower lip here, so just to give that exfoliation around my lips as well. After I've washed my lips feels really, really soft and moisturized. I don't know what it has apart from the sugar scrub in it, but it feels as if I've rubbed like a good amount of lip balm on my lips. So it feels that soft and moisturized. So definitely it does not only exfoliate your lips, but it also makes it soft and supple, and it's very nice. I mean, my experience with this was pretty amazing. I always, I think for the past 2 years, I think I wanted to buy this product, but then I found it very expensive. But then later I thought, okay, let me just give this a try, let me just save some money and buy this, and that's what I did, and finally bought this, and I'm very, very happy, very, very happy with this product. So for today's videos, guys, I have reviewed my top 3 rated lip care products and lip care products, not scare products. And I've been using this very religiously for the past 3 months. I just love the way these products have given the right care and love to my lips. I totally hated my lips like 3 months back. It was all pigmented and cracked, and now see what it has done. It is so nice. It has definitely kind of brightened my lips and given the right amount of moisture and the softness. So definitely try these products, guys. These are all I know these two are a little expensive, so you can give this a shot first and try this out. So people who have dark pigmented lips, you can try this, and definitely it will work wonders on your lips. And then maybe you can slowly buy these products as well. So yeah, use this every day as part of your morning skincare routine. This is like a normal lip balm, and use this as part of your night skincare routine before going to bed. Apply it as a lip balm only during night and not morning, and then exfoliate your lips by using this once in a week. Enjoyed watching my today's videos, guys, and loved the reviews about these 3 products, then please hit like, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and drop in your comments. Thank you so much.